Hi, my name is Attorney Walter Rudolph Hnot III. I'm with Disability Resolution PA and Orlando Orange County-based Social Security Disability Law Firm. Let's go ahead and begin. I want to make these videos short. All right. Weightlifting trick question. Number 11 of 50 ALJ trick questions. How much can you lift? Right? Go into that hearing knowing ahead of time things that weigh a certain amount so you can dictate exactly what those things are. Be specific to what your actual abilities are, and then make sure you go into how you cannot repetitively do that over an 8-hour workday. I can lift 2 gallons of milk in one arm. Can you do it repetitively over an 8-hour workday? No, I couldn't do it repetitively over an 8-hour workday. If you don't specify, guess what's going on the record? That you can. All right, let's go through this. How much can you lift? 10, 15, 20 pounds? Gallon of milk is around 8 or 9 pounds. Soup can is around a pound. So use soup cans. I can lift about 5 soup cans. I can lift about 10 soup cans. I can lift about 15 soup cans. Make sure you specify left or right arm. Make sure you specify I'm right-handed. Make sure you specify how many times you can do that per day before you'd be unable to do it for the rest of the day, for the rest of the week, yada, yada, yada. Okay? So that is the weightlifting trick question. You need to be aware that if oh, what do you think you could lift? Oh, I think I lift about 25 pounds. Do you even know what 25 pounds is? 25 pounds like a gallon of milk. No, it's not. No, it's not. Stop, Jenny. It's not. It's 8 or 9 pounds. I love you all. All right. Bottom line is this. My squeaky chair. Bottom line is this. If you have any questions, want the most up-to-date information, that's fine. Shoot me an email. Give me a call. Also, on the 9th, 8 p.m. this April, Thursday, I will be doing a live session on YouTube. So if you want to call me, I'll run questions with you. Just don't use your real name. I'll read you the little disclaimer, and then we'll kick it off, and I'll start beating you up. Hope all is well. I'll catch you a little bit later, and we'll go from there. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.